Hi, this is Greg with the Stepcraft Q Series. There's no denying that CNC routers can produce a ton of dust in your shop or workspace. The use of a dust collection system on a production machine like our Stepcraft Q Series is an absolute must. The effectiveness of the dust collection system relies heavily on a few factors, one of the most important being the brushes making contact with your workpiece. Many systems on the market use a fixed dust boot that moves up and down with the axis. When using longer end mills, such as the straight bit from Amana Tools, it's likely that on a system with a fixed dust boot, your brush will not make contact with the work material. As an example, we've locked our dust boot in the upright position, simulating what a fixed dust boot would look like on a traditional system. As the end mill approaches the top of the workpiece, you can see the brushes are well above the surface of the material, allowing dust and debris to escape at every angle, essentially rendering the dust boot useless. When using the Stepcraft dust boot system, even when using longer end mills, the brush always makes contact with the surface of the material. The Stepcraft dust boot system comes in two configurations: a manual system, which is used on our HFS 2200 non-tool changer spindle, and an automatic system that is used with our ATC 2200 automatic tool changer spindle. Both dust boots are designed to float on the material independently of the Z-axis moving up and down, ensuring that the brushes are always making contact with the material. The automatic system uses a pneumatic piston to raise and lower the dust boot so that it's up and out of the way, allowing you to perform automatic tool changes. After the tool change has been complete, the dust boot lowers to begin production. The Stepcraft dust boot system ensures that you're always making positive contact with the work material. This ensures a cleaner and safer work environment. For more information, please visit our website or call us today.